I think it's time that we show off our skills. First, breakfast. Look at that. Bet it doesn't even float in water. Apparently, the people in charge are trying to tell you that this is what the indication of a good, well-calibrated 3D printer is. A boat. Friggin' boat. You ever hear about the Titanic? Yeah, tell me a boat's awesome. But who are we if we're not followers? And if they tell us we're going to print a boat, then dagnabbit, we're going to print a friggin' boat. Or 5. Okay. Okay. And we broke her. Yeah, there it is. It's a boat. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't have time to dick around with this thing. So we're going to make this print real fast. You know what? Let's make that layer height 0.45. Because I was always told bigger is better. Let's print. Let's see how she did. Look at her, she's gorgeous. Oh, okay. Safety first. Look at her. She's a beaut. She's perfect. Rum num 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 num. I guess just to prove to people that I can repeat success. I'll Num 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 num. Alright, apparently there are some measurements to this guy that you're able to get on their website. Let's see. Oh, well, hold on. Does that include... Oh, that's not good. Just... Shit. Good as new. So he is 64? Shit. Close enough. It's awesome. Ugh, let's print another one. So maybe my layer height was just a skosh too big. Down. Let's go from a 0.45 millimeter layer height to 0.25. Let's give it a go. Number 2 done. Get off. Get off. Get off. Get off there. Get off there. Whoa! Shit! Yeah! Let's throw my digits. Yeah! Seriously, what is up with the shark mouth? I mean, this one looks better, right? Doesn't look as shitty. There is supposed to be a front here, right? Maybe I got the model for some weird zombie Benchy. I don't know. I should have looked at the front. No, it's definitely got a front. Well, when at first you fail, fail again. And when you fail again, fail trois. It's French for 3. She is. Well, obviously what's happened here is the Russians have somehow gotten control of my printer. See, it's possible to do with the front. It's okay though, because I like failure because it's so easy to achieve. Well, there you have it. And there's what they should look like. 3D printing still sucks. Well, we got to do something with them. To the garage, to the knives. Let's make a river of kerosene.